Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So are you noticing that your Fire Stick just isn't as fast as it was when you first got it? Guys, I'm going to show you how to factory reset it, set it up the way it should have been in the first time, and let's bring your Fire Stick back to life. Alright guys, so you've done all the tips and tricks that I've shared in my other videos, like clearing cache, like cleaning up all of your apps, making sure they're closed in the background. You've tried all these things and you're just frustrated, it's just not working for you. Well, I'm going to show you a quick way to factory reset your Fire Stick. It does take a few moments for the process to do that, and then you'll have to again put in your Amazon information, okay? Once you do that, you'll get back to a blank slate. Sometimes that's a good thing. Sometimes that's your only option. Once you get that blank slate and you get it back up, then what we're going to do is we're going to set up your Fire Stick. We're going to unlock all of the potential of your Fire Stick. And then once you've done that, then you can start adding those apps from the other videos that I've done. I've done quite a few videos on all kinds of stuff, guys. I just go through them. There's over 100 videos on different things you can do to your Fire Stick. Some of those apps are amazing, and I want to make sure everybody watching this video checks those videos out. So let's get right to it. Okay, so what we're gonna do first to factory reset your Fire Stick, all you need to do, it's a very simple process. Just go over to settings, and then you're gonna head on down to My Fire TV right there. Okay, once you click on that, then you're gonna go reset to factory defaults. All right, one thing I want to mention before you go into the reset to factory defaults is make sure that your USB plug is plugged into a wall outlet, not into your TV. I do another video where I tell you how to plug it right into the TV, but for the process of this, you want to make sure it is plugged into a solid power source. So your power adapter that came with your Amazon Fire Stick is pivotal. So let's go ahead and make sure it's plugged into a wall outlet. If it's already plugged into a wall outlet, great. Go ahead and start your reset factory defaults. If not, go ahead and unplug it from your TV, plug it into a power outlet, get back to this point right here. Once you get that, go ahead and hit play. It'll automatically go through all of the steps, and I'll meet you on the other side. All right, and here we are, guys. So you went through the process. It takes about 10 minutes to go through the whole process of resetting it to factory defaults. Once you've done that, you'll be pairing your remote. Just go through the prompts on there, holding the home button and then the play button. And that will pair your remote or any remote that you have. If you got a new one, if you wanted to do that or use the app on your phone, you can do that as well. But once you've paired your remote, then it's going to take you to this screen right here. Okay, so let's go through a few of the steps to get it right back to the home screen. And then once we do that, then I'm going to share with you how to unlock your Fire Stick and get the most out of it. All right, so first step, obviously in my case, I am in the United States. Then what it's going to do is going to scan for internet. You're going to go ahead and find your internet wherever your internet is, where you're at. Then you're going to put in your password. So let's go ahead and do that right now. All right, so I went ahead and put in my password for our internet. Connect to your internet and then get you on to the next step. All right, so once the connection is successful, just a couple more things you'll need to do. It's going to check for updates. It wants to make sure it has the latest software, which is a good thing. And this will just take a couple minutes. Once they get done with this process, then we'll go on to the next step. All right, guys, so we've gotten past that step. That one also takes about 3 or 4 minutes to go through the finishing of the update, okay? So once you get to that point, you're going to go ahead and log into your Amazon account. If this is your first Amazon account, obviously you're going to do, I'm a new Amazon user. So let's go ahead and log into the Amazon account, and then we'll go on to the next step. All right, guys, so once you put in your information, then what it's going to do is it's going to ask you, is this you? Is this your account? You're going to say yes, and then it will take you to this prompt right here, okay? So this prompt here, is this Fire Stick going to be used for kids or adults? You can choose which one at this point. I'm going to say, in our case, no parental controls, because this is a demonstration unit. We want to have complete control over setting it up. So we're going to go ahead and do that right now. Since you clicked that, it should go pretty quickly at this point to the main screen, which is what it looked like when you first got it out of the box, okay? Now this is going to work. This factory reset will work for any generation, Fire Stick or Fire Cube. The nice thing about it is that once you set it up, it's going to run very, very good. Even a first generation will work better now that you've set it to factory settings. So you've gotten rid of all of that junk that's running in the background, stuff that's hidden that you don't know about. So it's going to come up with this screen here. We're going to say no, we're not going to do this right now. You can add these later if you want to, if you have anything like a Netflix or something you want to put on there. But I'm going to show you how to unlock it right now so you get full access to your Amazon Fire Stick, and then you can go back and watch my other videos on which apps you need to have on your Fire Stick. So I'm just going to say no right now. I don't need to set that up. It'll take you to the home screen, and there's just a couple steps you need to do. Very, very quick, very easy. Won't take long to do. So what you're going to do is you're going to, once this loads up, which it looks like it just did, this is brand new now. This is like right out of the box. This is awesome, guys. So you're gonna head over to settings. All right, once you get to settings, then what you're gonna do is you're gonna head on over to My Fire TV, okay? And the first thing you're gonna wanna set up is your developer options. The steps are slightly different at this point if you have a cube. So watch my how to do it side load on a cube. It's different, there are different steps. This is on a stick. This will work on the first gen or second gen stick. It'll be exactly the same. All right, so go ahead and hit developer options. You want both of these to be on because we want to be able to put applications on our Fire Stick that are not Amazon apps. Okay, so let's do that right now. Go ahead and turn both of those on. Yes, you want to go ahead and do that. Then go ahead and hit back a couple times, and you're going to get back to this settings screen right here. And then what you're going to do once you get back to settings is you're going to want to go over to preferences. Okay, preferences is very important. This will slow down your Fire Stick if some of these things are set a certain way. So privacy settings is one of those. You want to make sure all of these are off. Turn them all off. We don't want to start collecting stuff, collecting our data. We don't want to see ads. I'll make sure all three of these actually are off. All right, once you get those off, data monitoring is another one that you want to make sure is off. Luckily, this one's already set to off. So just make sure you have those settings set. Now, once you've set that all up, you're back to your home screen. Now is when you want to go back and watch our older videos. You're going to want to start putting some of these things onto your devices, okay? You want to make sure you have the downloader app. You want to download certain things on here. You're going to want to do so much with your Fire Stick now that it's working, now that it's like brand new, guys. So I just want to show this to you. This is just a quick video on how to factory reset your Amazon Fire Stick and then set it up so that you can do so much more. Basically unlocked your entire Fire Stick to do so much. Check out those other videos, guys. If you liked the video, hit the thumbs up. Thanks for watching.